Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from Mobile Wiz Tech. Today I want to show you how you can easily make your S Pen sound like a lightsaber anytime you take it out and then place it back in your Galaxy Note device. So stay tuned. So all we're going to need to get this done is 2 apps and 2 sound files. And I will have links posted in the description below. So the first app that we're going to need is called Zedge. And again, that link is going to be in the description. It should be the first link in the description. So go ahead and install that, or you can just go to the Play Store and download Zedge. Do a search for that and then install it. And then once you have that installed, go ahead and go to the second link in the description and then use one of the browsers to open it up, and it should open up Zedge and take you directly to that file. And it should tell you which one you have, and you can play it if you wanted to see how it sounds. So once you're here, just tap the 3 dots here. Oops. And then you're going to tap download, and then do the same thing for the third link that's in the description. So now that you have both files downloaded, go to your My Files app right there. Tap internal storage and go near the bottom, or probably for you, it may be all the way at the bottom. Look for that Zedge folder. Tap that. And then you're going to tap notification sounds. So then once you're in here, you should have both files in there, or if you use Zedge already, you may have some other files in there, I'm not sure. But you want to look for Lightsaber. It should be 2 of them. And if you want to know which one it is, you could probably just play it first and then, use Samsung Music to make sure it's the right one before you rename it. And so the one that sounds like this, that's the one you're going to rename to Lightsaber On, because that's the one that you're detaching. And then that sound, you're going to want to name it Lightsaber Off, or something that you can identify or separate the 2 from. So once you have both of those renamed, and again, all you need to do to rename it is press on one, tap the 3 dots here, and then tap rename. So rename both files so that way you can know which is which. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to the Play Store, or go to the 4th link in the description, and then you're going to download and install S Pen Toolbox. See if I can get it. There you go. S Pen Toolbox. Again, this is the 4th link, and it's in the description, or you can just go to the Play Store and do a search for that. Once you have that installed, go ahead and tap open. And you should be here on this screen. Now the first one you're going to do, as you see, I have Lightsaber turned on here because that's what I named it to. This is when the S Pen is detached. So again, that's when you take it out. That's being detached, and that's the sound you want. The sound that you want it to make is the sound when the lightsaber is ignited or turned on. So again, that's the S Pen detached sound. You're going to tap here, tap on media file, and then just do a search for Lightsaber On, or whatever you named it. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to tap it in. So let's see here. And then you should, right here, you'll just tap it. And then you're done with that portion there. And you're going to do the same thing for this one, S Pen attached. So that's when you stick it back in. And it should make the sound of the lightsaber being turned off. So again, I named it Lightsaber Shut Off. So you're going to tap that again, tap media file, and do a search for Lightsaber Turned Off, or whatever you named it to. And then once you're done with that, that's it. You can go ahead and test it out. Again, you should get that when it's turned on, the turned on sound, should I say, and then And that's how it sounds when it's turned off or when you place it back into your Galaxy Note device. And this is not limited to the Galaxy Note 10. You can do this on the 8, the 9. I think as long as your Galaxy Note phone has at least Android 7 or Nugget, you should be good to go. So after doing this, you can start telling people that the S and S Pen stands for Saber, and now you have a Saber pen. Or if you want to be more of a corny troll and you're a Spaceballs fan, you can start telling people that you now have a Schwartz pen. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.